Hello Vintage Outboard Motor fans, this is T-Mike here at Toledo Bend Lake making another video. Today's video is on another product that I'm rolling out in the line of the trusted T-Mike parts. Alright, this product is the flush kit for your motors. Instead of putting your motors in a barrel, you can remove the water intake cover, replace it with this cover. It's got the hose and the hose fitting to attach to this to be able to plug your hose on and run your motor not in the barrel but on the kit. Works good, only good for short-term use, not long-term, but it cools just fine. And I'm going to show you and prove it to you with this video of it tested and certified by T-Mike. Everybody's ready, here we go. Alright, so here's the flush kit all put together. The plate, the hose, the nozzle. It's a simple matter of removing the existing plate and putting this one on. I'll do it now. Once you have the plate on, you just connect your hose. Turn on the water. Okay, so the water's there. I'm going to start my engine and watch the water flush through. Works great. No more barrels. Able to run it through with this flush kit. Feel the water to make sure it doesn't get too hot. This is not made to run for extended periods, just for testing your motor. Don't have to fill up a barrel. Just put the hose on it. Get yours at trusted T-Mike parts. Alright, well how about that? Pretty neat product. I'm getting my products, a lot of these products, this one from Justin at This Old Outboards. They're available there too if you want to go to get them there, or you can get them right here from T-Mike. I got them in the listing description box right down below. Just click on that or bring it to my eBay store and get my parts. I have all the other parts listings in the description down below. So hope you enjoyed the video. I know I did. See y'all next time. Well, thanks for watching the video. I'd like to take this time to share with you some of the offerings that I have here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. The first thing is my eBay store. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store, almost anything you need for your vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s and 60s, 20 horsepower and less. Have the link to my eBay store and all of these services down below in the description. Second thing is technical consulting. I offer technical consulting to help with your outboards, $40 an hour. Just buy one of these and you get an hour's worth of consulting. If it's 5 or 10 minutes of a question or two and you want to call me, it's free. Just call me. My phone number is 337-278-5429. I answer my phone all the time. All right. Next thing I do is I started selling kits for your motors. I have a master tune-up kit for doing your ignition magnetos. I have the coils, points and condensers, spark plug wire, spark plugs, and I also sell all of these parts individually. All right. Next thing I started offering now is fuel pump conversion kits, the FPCs, to upgrade from a dual line to a single line. Offer a kit for the 7.5s, for the 10 horsepowers, and for the 15 and 18 horsepowers. All right. The next thing I do is I service, repair, and restore. I've done over 130 full restores. I do a light restore for $9.50. I do a full restore for $12.50, and I do service and repair work for $40 an hour plus parts. All right. And also I have T-Mic caps and mouse pads for sale. All right. Join the T-Mic club and buy you some of these. So the links for all this are down below. And also I have over 280 videos now on everything you need to know. If you come up with something that you find I don't have a video for, just hit me up on this channel or on my phone number, and I'll try to do it for you. Thanks so much. And remember, always remember, and never forget, we're doing it one motor at a time.